Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the right accounts and network, so sign in with your Apple ID on the TV first. This gives Apple Music access to your library and playlists. Once signed in, update the TV or Apple TV to the latest TV OS and confirm Wi-Fi stability. Those steps prevent playback errors. Then open the Apple Music app or enable AirPlay on the TV. This is the first actionable move because it establishes the connection point you'll use to stream. With the app open on both devices, choose AirPlay from your iPhone's music app to push audio to the TV. This is quick and retains your playback controls. If you're using Apple TV's music app directly, sign in, then use the remote or Siri to search, browse playlists, and control playback. This gives better navigation for large libraries. Make sure a subscription is active. Otherwise, you'll see limited content and prompts to subscribe, which explains access differences. Finish by organizing playback. Add songs to library, cue tracks with up next, and create playlists so your TV acts like a stereo with curated content. Once done, use Siri or the remote for volume, skip, and voice searches. Siri makes repeated commands faster and explains why a song might not be available. If streaming fails, sign out and back into Apple ID, reboot the TV and phone, and check Wi-Fi and updates. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.